Hi guys, and welcome back to DIY Ideas, and welcome to a new pattern tutorial. I'm going to show you today this beautiful pattern from Double Crochets. Some of them are like standard ones, and some of them are stitched in a little deeper, and it's a really cool effect here. How exactly I made this I'm going to show you now. I used some leftover wool here. Really great to show these patterns. I have a wool with two colors. It's like kind of twisted around each other, and it's wool from Rico Design. And now I wish you a lot of fun. So I'm going to show you this cute tutorial today with this wool with two colors from Rico Design. It's called Chic Unique for size 6 crocheting hooks. I have it's kind of like a gray and pink, and then it kind of switches to a little bit in the pink color. For the base of the pattern, I'm going to start with some chain stitches with a base of 3, a multiple of 3. And then I will add 2 stitches. So we will do 9 plus 2, so 11. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so now we have 11. Then we will skip the first 3, go backwards in double crochets. Okay, so we have a base of 3 plus 2, and then the first 3 we skip. So that's what I just did, 3 double crochets. And we go all the way back in double crochets here. So just like that, we're almost there. Okay, so now we have a full row here in double crochets. Then we add 2 chain stitches, turn it around, and here behind the first double crochet that we have here, we go behind it and add our next double crochet. Then the next 2 stitches, the next 2 double crochets, we will just do normally, so we will just go in exactly where we're supposed to go into the stitch. So we're doing 2 here, and then we're going to the next stitch. Here again we go behind the double crochet of the row before and add the double crochet here, and then we do 2 normal ones again. 2. Okay, and so now you see already what this looks like in between the 2 normal ones. Then again 2 normal ones, and now again we go behind the one of the row before and add another double crochet, and now here just another double crochet just around the chain stitches from the start. So we have 3 double crochets where we did it from behind, and then on the outside we have the chain stitches, and here on the left another double crochet. Okay, so this is the other side, and this is where we will continue. We will add 2 chain stitches again for height, turn it all around, and now we will always do the opposite of what we did in the row before. So that means where I went behind in the row before, we will do normally, and the ones where we did normal stitches before, we will go in from behind. Okay, so here behind, then here we have the one that was behind in the row before, so here we will just go and do a normal double crochet. Then we have the 2 normal ones, so here we will go in behind. Okay, always double crochets. Here we have the ones where we went in behind. There we will add a double crochet normally, and then we are back on the outside. And this is just the chain stitches from the beginning. And here we just go in and do a normal double crochet. This is what it looks like now. Here the other side, and we can see, yeah, kind of this ridge appearing. And these ones that kind of go upwards. And then we continue with 2 chain stitches. And we will do again the exact opposite of what we did in the row before, which is exactly the same that we did in the first row. So here we did a normal one before, so now this one we will do from behind. These ones here were done in the row before from behind, so these ones we will do normally. Then these will go in from behind. Here normally. And these are the 2 rows that will keep switching off. Here again from behind. And then on the outside it might always just a normal double crochet. Okay, so now we have the sideways ridge, and now this is the the kind of vertical one, and this is the other side. We will add again 2 chain stitches for height, then we turn it around and poke in normally for this one, double crochet. Now we will go in from behind, just around the double crochets of the row before, then this one normally into the stitch, this one from behind, these 2 again, these ones normally, and then here to finish off another double crochet. Okay, so you can see now here this kind of weave structure that we're creating, and I'm going to continue doing this for a little bit longer, and I will show you an update then. Alright, so this is the end of my leftover wool, and you can see here the gray part where we did most of it together. And then I added some more rows here, and you can see that in very regular very regular distances, these side ridges, the horizontal ridges. And then obviously we also have the vertical ridges, and this is the opposite side. This is obviously a full mirror picture of it. And it's just a really nice geometrical pattern, and I think it's really nice. And I really hope that you guys like this video as well. If you did, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back here next time at DIY Ideas. Bye guys!